15 by a line, and lastly we have 45, that 9 divide 45 and 15 divide 45. So we have a line between 1 3 and 1 5, line between 3 9 and 5 15, and line between 9 45 and 15 45. So starting with the first element, lower element 1, which divides all other elements. Second elements are 3 and 5, and because 3 and 5 are not related to each other, both have the same height. Now 3 divide 9. So we have a line between 3 and 9 here. Now there is a 5 divide 15. So we join 5 and 15 by a line. Also 9 and 15 both divide 45. So we have a line joining 9 to 45 and 15 to 45. But here one relation is left. 3 also divide 15. So we can join 3 and 15 by a line. So 1 divide 3 and 5. Then 3 divide 9 and 15. 5 divide 15. And 9 divide 45 and 15 divide 45. So this is the Hess diagram of S45 with the relation divisibility. Okay, now the second example is S63 with relation divisibility. Okay, so here again S63, divisors of 63 contains 1 divide 63, then 3 divide 63, 7 divide 63, 9 divide 63, 21 divide 63, and 63 itself divide 63. So we have again here 3 elements 1 3 7 and 3 elements 9 21 63, total 6 elements here. Now first 1 divide 3 and 1 divide 7. So we joined 1 and 3 and 1 and 7 here, but 3 does not divide 7. So 3 and 7 have a same height. So starting with 1 divide 3 and 7, but 3 and 7 are not related, so both have the same height. Now 3 divide 9. So we can join 3 and 9 by a line. Okay, again 7 divide 21 here. So we can join 7 and 21 by a line. And 9 and 21 both divide 63 here. So 9 and 21 joined by 63 here. Now also 3 divide 21 here. So we can join 3 and 21 by a line here. Any other relation is left here? No. All the relation are satisfied. So 1 divide 3 and 7, 3 divide 9 and 21, 7 divide 21, and 9 and 21 divide 63. So this is the Hess diagram of S63. So the next example is S72D, where S72 is a set of all divisors of 72. So 1 divides 72, okay, then 2 divides 72, 3 divides 72, 4, 6, 8, 9, 12, 18, 24, 36 and 72. So we have total 12 divisors of 72 here. Same way, least element here is 1. 1 divide 2, 1 divide 3. so we can join 1 by 2 and 3. Also 2 does not divide 3, so 2 and 3 have a same height. It is not related by a line. Okay. Next is 2 divide 4, 2 divide 6. We can join 2 by 4 and 6 by line. And 3 divide 6, we can join 6 by 3 also. So there is 2 line for 6 from 2 and from 3 also. Now 4 and 6 does not divide each other, so both have the same height. Okay, similarly 4 divide 8, we join 4 and 8. 3 divide 9, join 3 and 9. 4 divide 12, we can join 4 and 12. Then 9 divide 18, we can join 9 and 18. And then we can divide 12 and 24, so join 12 and 24. Then 18 and 36, we can join 18 and 36. And 24 divides 72 and 36 divides 72. So we can join all the elements in a Hess diagram. Starting with 1. Now 1 is related to 2 and 3. Right? But 2 divide 4 and 3 divide 9. So 4 divide 8. Now 2 and 3 both divide 6. Now 6 and 9 both divide 18. Now 4 and 6 both divide 12. And 12 and 18 both divide 36. Now 8 and 12 both divide 24. And 24 and 36 both divide 72 here. So the least element is 1. Then the element on the same height is 2 and 3 because both are not related to each other. 1 divide 2, 1 divide 3, we join 1 by 2 and 3. Second example is 2 divide 4. So 4 is a higher position and 4 divide 8. Okay, similarly 1 divide 3 and 3 divide 9 here. 2 and 6, 2 and 3 divide by divisible by 6, and 6 and 9 divide 18. Then 4 and 6 divide 12, and 12 and 18 divide 36. And 8 and 12 divide 24, and 24 and 36 divide 72. So we draw this Hess diagram the following manner. So next example, we have a new set here. L can be defined containing only two elements, 0 and 1, with the relation less than equal to. So it is the easiest example. We can see here only two elements are here, 0 and 1. Our relation is less than equal to, that 0 less than equal to 1. So simple, it is a chain. Least element is 0 and another element is 1. So this is the simplest Hess diagram. Now we can draw the Hess diagram for L cross L also. What is L cross L? We previously know the cross means the cross product. So here our set L is 0, 1. We can take 0, 1 cross 0, 1 and it is a new set. It is also written as L square. And we can draw the Hess diagram, but because we have to first define our set here, so what is L cross L? The elements in L cross L are, it is the order pair. We can find the order pairs. First of all, 0, we can take first element as 0 in order pair and interchanging the elements from the second set, that is 0 and 1. So first 0 with 0, we have order pair 0, 0. Then 0 with 1, we have order pair 0, 1. Then 1 with 0, we have order pair 1, 0. and 1 with 1 we have order pair 1 1 here. So L cross L, that is L square, it is a set which is 0 1 cross 0 1 and it contains 4 elements, but they are the order pairs. Now so far we draw the hash diagram which have the single elements or numbers or set, but here we have the order pairs. So we don't know how to relate 0 0 and 0 1 here, how to relate 0 0 and 1 0 here. So we have to define here, if AB and CD are two elements of order pairs, then AB related to CD if and only if A related to C and B related to D. That means here we have element 0 0 and 1 0. 0 0 and 1 0 related if and only if 0 is related to 1 and 0 is related to 0. Now what is relation here? Here relation is relation on L. We have given set L with the relation less than equal to here, right? So if 0 less than 1 and 0 less than 0, then we can say that 0 0 related to 1 0. So we know that 0 is less than 1 and any number is less than equal to itself. So 0 0 is related to 1 0. Similarly 1 0 related to 0 1 or not, right? So here to check 1 0 and 0 1 are related or not, we have to check 1 and 0. 1 related to 0 and 0 related to 1. Now we can see here 1 less than equal to 0 is not possible, right? So here first element is not related to another element. We can say that 1 1 and 0 1 are not related. So we cannot join 1 0 and 0 1 because they are not related to each other. So 0 0 is related to 1 0. Now 0 0 can be related to 0 1. Yes, because 0 is less than equal to 0 and 0 is less than equal to 1. So 0 0 is related to 0 1. So first of all we have two set here. 0 0 is related to 1 0 and 0 0 is related to 0 1. Okay, so 0 0 related to 1 0 and 0 0 related to 0 1. We can join 0 0 by 1 0 and 0 1. So okay, and 1 0 and 0 1 are not related to each other, right? So they have no line in common. Okay, now the next we have 1 0 and 1 1. 1 0 and 1 1 are related or not? So 1 is less than equal to 1, yes it is possible, and 0 less than equal to 1, it is also possible. So 1 0 is related to 1 1, right? So we can join 1 0 and 1 1 by a line. Similarly 0 1 and 1 1, are they related? So 0 less than equal to 1 is possible, 1 less than equal to 1 is also possible. So 0 1 is related to 1 1. So we can join 0 1 and 1 1. Okay, so we have 4 elements 0 0 1 0 0 1 and 1 1. In that 0 0 is related to 1 0 and 0 1 by our new relation, and 1 0 and 0 1 is also related to 1 1. So this is the hash diagram for L2 with the relation less than equal to. Okay, similarly we can draw for L3 also. L3 is L cross L cross L, that is 0 1 cross 0 1 cross 0 1, and the elements are, first restrict first element to 0 and find the other elements. So 0 with 0 element, then 0 with 1 1 element, then 0 with 0 1 element, and 0 with 1 0 element. Now next is 1 restrict 1 here, and the elements are 0 0, then 1 with 1 1, then 1 with 0 1, 1 with 1 0. So we have total 8 elements here, because we have here 0 1 0 1 0 1 2 raised to 3. So we have 8 elements here, and the same manner we can draw the hash diagram by joining them. So hash diagram for that. It is a cube starting with 0 0 0. Now 0 0 0 is related to 0 1 1, because 0 less than 0, 0 less than 1, 0 less than 1. It is related to 0 0 1, because 0 less than 0, 0 less than 0, and 0 less than 1. It is related to 0 1 0, 0 less than 0, 0 less than 1, 0 less than 0. So now the next element 1 0 0, and 1 0 1, and 1 1 0, and the last element 1 1 1. So we can draw the hash diagram for L3 also, and similarly for L4 you can try by yourself, taking 0 1 cross 0 1 cross 0 1 cross 0 1. Okay. So now we can see the references. Okay, so first reference is Discrete Mathematical Structure by U.S. Gupta. Second reference is Discrete Mathematical Structures with Application to Computer Science, J.P. Trimble and R. Manohar, which is your reference book for university. Next is Discrete Mathematics by Vinay Kumar. And the fourth one is Elements of Discrete Mathematics by C.L. Liu. Okay, thank you.
Sandhan, All Gujarat Integrated Classroom.
સેટેલાઇટના માધ્યમથી જોડતી કડી એટલે સંધાન.